Today I will provide you a brief overview and together we'll go over the main functionalities of the platform. So, what is Xtract? It is a 100% cloud-based platform designed to minimize the time an organization spends in processing documents. It allows you to have access to all your invoices from one single online platform made available to you 24/7 on any internet-enabled device. Most importantly, you'll have unlimited digital repository with no space limit. So, how do organizations minimize their time? Our software does this by automating the reception, reading, and entry of invoices tasks in any management system, such as SAP or SAP, Oracle, NetSuite, Microsoft Dynamics 365, QuickBooks, and more. It organizes the process of receiving and approving purchase invoice by connecting the tool directly to your mailbox in which suppliers' invoices are received. The software can accurately read every invoice that you receive from suppliers, regardless of its layout or country origin. Xtract's API can smoothly connect or integrate with the tool throughout your operation. You can also generate internal reports with the information obtained from the reading of invoices, but we'll talk more about that later. So, let's get started. Let's have a look at the platform and its functionalities. Once you have logged in using your credentials, the first thing you'll run into is the dashboard. The dashboard is a simple control panel that provides you a comprehensive overview of the company's global purchase activities within a selected period of time. You can select this month, last month, or from the very beginning. You'll be able to see how many invoices have been read and processed, how many are due to expire this month, the total amount processed, and also the estimated time we have saved up by not manually processing the invoice ourselves. So, below, you'll be able to see the summary of the primary suppliers who billed the company the highest amount and the number of invoices these suppliers have submitted. Okay, that being said, let's have a look at the invoices. Here is where you'll find all the invoices that have arrived to the platform. You'll be able to filter them out through client business name, client tax ID, provider business name, provider tax ID, the date it was issued, the expiry date, the currencies, and also the total amount. You'll also have some action buttons such as comment, download, delete, and if you click on info, you'll be able to see the breakdown of the information extracted from the invoice. You'll also see imputations, in which we'll go over in a bit, products, taxes, and the physical invoice. Let's go over how do invoices arrive to the platform. We will create a dedicated email address for our client to redirect all invoices that they receive from their suppliers or purchase invoice that typically arrive in an existing mailbox. I want to make emphasize that our software checks for duplicates in the case that suppliers accidentally send a document more than once. We ensure that each invoice is only processed once. Additionally, our system includes an automatic balance control feature that calculates the total amount by summing up the cost of the listed product or service along with the taxes to match the total invoice total amount. So let's go over now business units. Here is to display all companies with recorded purchases on the platform. The information that will be presented is the company's name, the tax ID, cost center. But I'd like to point out that these fields are flexible, enabling companies to personalize and modify them to suit their individual requirements. Let's go over imputations. These are attributes that allow us to assign data that are not included in the PDF of the invoice and that are required for in accounting. Once the values are set and the system will place them automatically and they will not need to be manually added. These apply for also sub providers, invoices, and products. So let's go over now to the reports. The company will be able to generate reports by selecting the information they want to see in the reports and also the order in which they want to have it displayed. Below, you should be able to visualize a preview of the reports. And once you're satisfied with the information, you'll be able to download it by clicking on Save and selecting the format. The format can be CSV, TXT, and XLS. To also point out that the company will be able to consult via API periodically and automatically through the management system. And that's the basics of the system. Hope you enjoyed it.